The Milky Way is the galaxy where Earth is located. But if you could look down on the entire Milky Way from above, you wouldn't be able to see Earth at all. That's because every bright dot you see is a blazing star, each one shining as brightly as our sun. And compared to those stars, Earth is no bigger than a tiny speck of dust. Even the largest stars are just small points of light when viewed from this scale. In the grand scheme of the Milky Way, they're barely noticeable, almost meaningless. But have you ever thought about this? Even the Milky Way, which spans over 100,000 light-years, is just a grain of dust floating in the vast universe. If you've ever looked closely at the night sky, you might have seen an oval-shaped glow. That's not a nebula. It's the famous Andromeda galaxy. Like the Milky Way, it's made up of countless stars, black holes, and clouds of interstellar matter. But it's much larger than the Milky Way. This tells us one thing: the Milky Way is not alone. In the distant reaches of space, there are countless other galaxies. What you're looking at now is the Hubble Deep Field, a photo taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. It captures just one tiny sliver of the sky, only 1/12.7 millionth of the whole sky. And yet, within this small frame, there are about 10,000 galaxies. Among them are spiral galaxies like the Milky Way, elliptical galaxies, and irregular ones, all hidden far beyond what our eyes can see. Thanks to data from Hubble, scientists estimate that the observable universe contains at least 200 billion galaxies. They are scattered across a massive cosmic web stretching over 93 billion light-years. Most of these are small dwarf galaxies, some with fewer than 10 billion stars. The Milky Way, however, is a larger galaxy with more than 200 billion stars. And Andromeda is even bigger, with about 1 trillion stars. Sadly, even though we know how many galaxies there are, we still don't know exactly how many stars exist in the universe. That's because each galaxy is different in size and structure. But if we assume that each galaxy contains around 100 billion stars, then the total number of stars in the observable universe would be about 2 times 10 to the 23rd power. That's a number so huge no one can say it out loud. And the sun, the star that lights up our days, is just one of them. Maybe only when we truly understand the scale of the universe will we realize this. Not just humanity, but even Earth, and even the entire Milky Way could vanish, and the universe wouldn't even notice.